What time is it? I think it's like 11:30. Oh, I should probably get ready. Alexa, what's the weather outside?
Right now in Rexburg, it's 32 degrees with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has snow flurries, with a high of 41 degrees and a low of 29 degrees.
41 degrees and snow flurries. All right, we gotta check outside. Oh, it's pretty bright. I think Alexa was lying to us. Time to figure out what to wear. I wonder if we should trust Alexa.
One eternity later.
Shirt, jacket, pants. I need shoes. Shoes!
12 seconds later.
I think that's what she said.
Till 1 p.m. at the 17th Annual Idaho Falls RV Dealer Sale.
The heck is this? What the heck is this? Radio, give me something good! Just waiting for my wife. She's not there yet. Where is she? You wanna record us?
Why?
Just cause. It's already recording.
Oh, this is awkward. We are going to get Froyo
Why?
because they have the first 3 ounces are free because it's National Frozen Yogurt Day.
Yeah!
So, yeah!
Woo!
Go for yogurt. Okay, bye. We have our Froyo.
Froyo! I think mine looks better. You don't even see yours. What the heck? Where?
Focus on.
Ah. Okay. Well, we're gonna eat our Froyo. Peace. So I hope you enjoyed that video. This was really my first attempt at recording vlogs or throughout the day and even editing really. And I'm just finishing it up, as you can see in the back, and I'm definitely open to feedback or any suggestions as to who to learn from and what else to do for my next video. Thank you. Bye.